In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Roman numerals into your Google Docs documents seamlessly. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring clarity and confidence as you incorporate these classic numeric symbols into your work. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to docs.google.com on your favorite web browser. This is a simple yet essential step, and if you don't have direct access, simply type it into your browser's search bar. Once you're there, log in using your Google or Gmail account. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly into the Google Docs interface. For those who aren't, you'll see a prompt to enter your credentials. This is critical because it gives you access to all of Google's document creation tools. Now that you're in, you can either open an existing file that you've been working on or start from scratch with a new document. Both options are available right on the main screen. Either click on a document thumbnail to open one you've been editing or hit that handy blank button to start anew. Once your document is open and ready, you'll want to decide exactly where you'd like your Roman numeral to appear on the page. To insert one, double-click at the top or wherever you see fit to place your cursor right where that numeral should appear. It's important to be precise here because it's going to affect the formatting of the rest of your document. Next, let's move to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on Insert and from the drop-down menu, select Special Characters. A new window will pop up. This is your gateway to inserting a variety of symbols and characters. In the search bar within this window, you'll see it defaults to a symbol. Change this to number. This simply lets the system know you're focusing on numerical symbols. Underneath, you'll see a section labeled arrows. You'll want to click on this and switch it to other. This modification is crucial in narrowing down the chart to show exactly what we need. Now you'll be presented with a list of Roman numerals. Go ahead and select the Roman numeral 1. With your first numeral inserted, place your cursor back at the very end of your page. Again, go up to Insert, select Break, and then choose Continuous. This action maintains formatting structure as you add more numerals without creating separate pages or sections. Double-click on the Roman numeral 1 that you first placed in your document. Here, you'll see an option to unlink from the previous section. Uncheck this box to ensure that your formatting changes, including numerals, apply independently moving forward. Repeat the steps to choose the next numeral, heading back to the Insert menu, selecting Special Characters, and picking the Roman numeral 2. Continue this process for each subsequent numeral you wish to add. And there you have it, a straightforward method to enhance your documents with Roman numerals. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel more equipped to customize your Google Docs with ease. Happy editing!